Thank you for being here. And don't give up. This is just the beginning. A smaller crowd. People might look as Hmong people as Hobbit of Shao, but we bow to no king. And we're gonna fight. And I'm gonna transfer to Hmong people, to my native language Hmong. 我转到这边从你这头多，都抄。被做成凶，那被做日子也凶，ไอ้สี่คุณดูว่าตัวชาเฮก็ตัวนู้ตัวจอบไปเจอเลยเข่งหลังลืมมองจนรู้เสียใจแต่สิโอเลยจังเราตู้ทอเลยแต่ไปยังชิลูชิฟังจะยังตันเด้ไอ้จ้าเขาโน้โอ้ยเขาปอดเธอแต่ชิชอยอนช่วยเจต้นถึงซื้อไปจู่เตาชิฟังไอ้ชิชอจ่าแต่อีเจถึงปังจุดถึงปังโมเต้ไม่ได้ปังจนเดินซื้อเขาโน้ไปจู่ยังชิฟังจะยังแต่เด้thầu một tay mình cho thành lì với tàu sáu lục ba một tay mình cho thành thao là với tàu sáu lục mấy ba ít bờ chứ là họ nói chỉ là họ cứ biết tăng tàu有bi ở sáu lục sáu để cho cái tàu to là sau ở chỉ những khu phố trong lửa ra chờ nhau nó là bây giờ chủ tàu chờ nhau chỗ khó ai có bên trên chỗ khó của một kiến gia nhìn cho yên xong cho nhau tận đây có khó dụng rồi cho số lên cho tù hai bên tàu chỉ khu kiến trúc phủ là tầm loạn ô chọn tao cho bên cháu luôn nó thọ của một kiến nhận gì cho bên trong lịch sử nè and God bless you all. I will transition to as I'm one of the 10 the map caucus. Map caucus is combination of myself, represent Ethan Cha, represent Ang, represent Fuli, represent Leslie, our co-vice chair Senator Susan Pa, represent Samantha Sensen, represent Samantha Vang, represent Jay Shong, and Tu Shong. And we all put out this release in solidarity with you all. And it's in our hearts as we mourn the loss of community member Ye Shong. We stand in solidarity with his family and community as they grieve this life taken by St. Paul law enforcement. Ye Shong was a community elder, and he should have been treated with respect and dignity in his time of crisis. Ye Shong was a veteran and refugee who should not have escaped violence in his home country only to die in the violence here. We, the Mount Caucus, refuse to participate in the racist structures given to us. We are unwavering in our unity with black people and the movement of black lives. We also acknowledge the very real fact that the Asian community and specifically the Hmong community have historically experienced disproportionate and targeted violence at the hands of police. We must stand together to defeat systemic racism and institutional violence. The Map Caucus calls on all legislators to work in solidarity and with urgency on making transformational changes to policing and laws that will focus ending police violence against community members and creating justice system that work for all, including people of color living with disability. So thank you all for being here. You know,
that is the loss, that is the grief, that is the void that somebody leaves when police steal life. Usually we're up here talking about young black men or young men of color, and we talk about the potential, we talk about the life that they could have had. But today we're talking about a man who led an entire life and left behind kids, left behind grandkids, left behind sisters and brothers, left behind nephews and nieces. We're here to talk about a man that is an encyclopedia